Hi guys, I got this seasoned pepper from Daiso, Japan. So today I'm just going to show you guys how to make a origami leaf. I know I already make one video, but that one's very not edited, but this one's very written with frames and very beautiful, and have a song in the back. So let's get started.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time.
Very beautiful.
And I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody's so
Very
famous.
beautiful.
My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. Just when the taxi man turned on the radio and a Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play my
Okay. First wrap it like that, and then just wrap
moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands up to
like
play
that.
my song. You know I'm gonna be okay.
Very light. That, and open it. Turn it for the picture. Okay. Turn back
Everybody's looking at me now.
and fold it.
That chick that's rocking kicks, gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls
That.
on around me.
Turn around.
On a Nashville party, 'cause all I see is the letter.
That. Turn around again. And then fold over that. And then lightly hold in the back. And very beautiful. Just fold it. This one I'm just gonna open and fold. Hey, fold! And fold the last but not least, like that. And the last, put it inside it. Special for Valentine's. Bye guys.